So this is for the matching tiles for simplifying with exponents. This is number 10. I had a question about it. So for this one, anytime that I see a fraction raised to a negative power, that negative just means that everything is going to get flipped across the fraction bar. So I would probably go ahead and just get rid of it. The negative, that is. I'm going to leave the 5 for now. And I'm going to move everything that was here to the bottom and everything that was on the bottom to the top. Before I worry about raising to the 5th power, I'm going to try to simplify inside. I still have negatives. Some people will take this negative and they'll raise everything to the power of -5. I think that gets confusing, especially when you have these coefficients of 2. So I'm going to simplify inside first. I'm going to leave the 5 there for now. 2 is the only coefficient, so I'm going to leave 2 down there. X to the -2 means it has to move down. X cubed is already down there, so I'm just going to leave that down there. Y to the 3rd is on top. That's going to stay right there. Y to the -3, to get rid of the negative, move it up. Next step, I'm going to just leave the 5th for now. On top, I have y to the 3rd times y to the 3rd. Remember, if I wrote that out, I have y to the 3rd times y to the 3rd. If I recondense them, it's going to be y to the 6th. On the bottom, single coefficient, 2. And then I have x squared times x cubed, so I have x to the 5th. I'm really just adding those exponents. This is called power to a power. When you have powers on the inside and powers on the inside, you multiply. Because really, this would be like y to the 6 times 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 y to the 6. Add those exponents, you'd have y to the 30th. You have 2 to the power of 5, because that was a 1, and then x to the power of 25. And then just need to simplify. 2 to the 5th is 2 times 2 times 2. I know this is 8, and I know this is 4, so that's 32, x to the 25th power.